What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are working at somebody's house that is actually a few minutes away from our office. So parking, as you can see, is a breeze. It's our truck right over there. Before we jump into today's video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about business owning and taking risks in life. I really think it's super important to be able to take risks in life. Now let me be clear, I don't mean running across the highway and seeing if you get hit, because that's taking a risk and you want to see if you can make it to the other side. I'm talking about making smart, calculated risks in life, especially doing that when you're younger. Makes things a lot easier, because once you get a little bit older and you have a family, it gets more difficult. Time gets more precious. You want to spend time with your family, so you're not able to chase your dreams and try and start a business that you once wanted to start. So if you guys have a smart idea or a business plan that you guys want to try out, I highly suggest doing it, especially while you're younger, because you never know, it'll pay off. My dad and I started our company in 2012, and it's 2020 right now, and thank God last year we came off our best year ever, and it has absolutely changed our lives, and I thank God for that. But yeah, we took a risk, we opened a business, and like I said, thank God things worked out. So if you guys are interested in starting a business, on this channel I talk a lot about business owning, real estate, and cars. So if you guys are interested in any of those topics, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I take you guys along on a job that we recently completed for a customer of ours. As you guys can see, the first thing that we do before cutting up or creating any dust is set up containment. You can see us doing that on the right hand side. That's just putting up some plastic to make sure that no dust or particles go upstairs where the customer is still living while we're doing the demo. Another thing you'll notice is that there's no personal items in this basement, and that's because we performed a complete pack out for these folks. They had a few couches, an entertainment center, some workout equipment, and a few other items that we packed up and moved to our facility while the demo and the repair work was being completed. Another thing that you guys will see here in a minute is that the subfloor of this home isn't the traditional plywood that is usually found in these homes. This was 2x2 squares of plywood, and they were just put next to each other and nailed into the concrete itself. You'll see us remove a few of those in a minute here, but that's only like the second time I've ever seen that in a home, so I thought that was pretty interesting. Another thing you guys will notice is that we're creating a good amount of debris, and what we do with this in this specific case is we pulled our truck around back, and one of us would be tearing up the floor while the other person was taking out the garbage, just so that the work doesn't stop and the people tearing out don't have to stop and wait for the garbage to be removed. But if you guys made it this far in today's video, the word of the day is floors gotta go. So if you guys do comment that, I will be sure to give you guys a shout out in the next video. Also, if you guys enjoyed these videos, please go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. On this channel I talk a lot about real estate, business, and cars. If any of those topics interest you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys turn on the bell notification, just so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this specific video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like. It really helps me a lot, and I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.